If you're working with audio or videos, and let's say you're a video editor and you need sound effects, something not typical, not just a typical sound effects like some of these that you can find on this website here, which are like, magic sound, fireworks, gunshots, street, cooking, TV, just those generic sounds that you can see I'm showing here on my screen. Utilizing the power of AI is a great option. And this website here by the name of Pop-Up AI offers a free, absolutely free AI sound effects generator that you can use to generate whatever comes to mind. I'm telling you, that is pretty amazing. So guys, I want to take the moment to introduce this website to you. It's a free online AI audio solution and they offer quite a few tools, not a lot, but they're pretty useful. So you have an AI vocal remover. I also have a video on that. If you're watching this video first, then that video is coming out soon, or whichever one of them will be releasing soon. Both I'm recording at this time, so you'll be able to see me utilizing both of these tools. Or if you check out the website and you're in need of one of these tools, check them out. They're pretty useful and pretty easy to use. Right, they also offer this that we're focusing on today, which is the AI sound effects generator. Also coming soon is the AI song cover, and let me play, for example, this Taylor Swift one here. It's pretty cool. You don't need to hear anything else, right? Sound pretty dang realistic. So if you're looking for AI song cover, it could be pretty cool. And I'm gonna leave you to check out the one for Donald Trump because that one is really funny. So if you're curious, check out this website here, Pop Up AI, and you can hear what this Donald Trump sound like. Pretty interesting. Now, if you scroll on, you also have the AI voice generator. So that's pretty cool. You can check out that's coming soon. And of course, you have the AI voice changer as well, which is coming soon. So let's jump in to what you've been waiting for, the AI sound effects generator. So click on that at the top here. And as you can see here, you have a place where you can simply type what you're thinking, what you'd like to generate, and simply hit generate. You also have the smart mode. I believe the smart mode helps you to get the best out of the AI, so keep it on. By default is something that you should do. And if you scroll down, you have some generic sounds. So for example, we know fireworks. We know what gunshots sound like. And streets, cooking. All of these things, TV playing. That can be pretty useful. Now, what I'm going to do, I am going to simple take, for example, something and combine it. So let's say you have television playing here. I'm going to take this word and I'm going to say, let's test it out. Television playing, and let's put on kids screaming, something like that. Let's say you want to combine something together and let's see what the AI does. All right, so now it's generated and we have two options, so let's hear them. That one's pretty funny. I can hear the kids screaming a lot, but I can't even hear the TV playing. But I guess there's a TV sound. So let's hear the second option, what it sounds like. All right, so it's not bad. I somehow hear like there's too much kids screaming, but I didn't really hear the TV playing that much. But all right, let's try something like this. Car driving in water, for example, like that. You want to hear a car sound or car driving in the water, so let's generate, for example, something like that. And let's hear what this AI can generate for us. All right, let's hear these two options now. I think that the first option sound much realistic. Like you can hear like there's a water sound which is closer, and then the car actually drive in the water. So guys, I think that it's a decent tool. I'm not gonna say it's absolutely perfect unless you play around with it for some time. So you need to go ahead and play around with the keywords, spend some time, play around with different keywords to try to get the best out of the AI. Think about it like that. You might even have to simplify it. So you might search for one sound and then you can search for the second sound. So you might be able to combine them and adjust the volume to get what you're looking for. So guys, it's AI. So you have to play around with it and try to get the best out of these tools. It's not the generation at first is not going to be perfect, but at least if you take the time to play around with it, you can get something really interesting. So guys, I really hope you found value here within this video. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Check out Pop-Up AI, utilize these tools. If you know of any other tools as well, feel free to share them in the comments below. I'd be more than happy and delighted to try them out. But if you have never heard about this one, check out Pop-Up AI. They're absolutely free tools to use, and I'm sure that you'll have some fun using them. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time.